Hey guys, Tuesday, May 1st. This is Diamond. We're out in the front yard here at Three Canyons, Lower Blanco campsite. There is a winter storm warning for the Continental Divide right out there for the next 3 days for 10 to 20 inches, which we need. That's a heads up. We like that. It's gorgeous today. And I just wanted to show you some of the progress with the first tiny house as we adjust the kinks out. And the wind has been very high, red flag warnings for 2 days. Luckily I have really top guys that know what they're doing so that they can do this. There you see the front door. So this, we've just ended up with a 9-foot wall. And there's going to be a there'll be a sliding door and 2 side windows. And the kitchen setup in this tiny house will be in the front corner. You'll see there's a roof that comes out and extends the house into the outdoors, so the kitchen will be brought kind of outside. You'll see that when we're finished. There's a wraparound deck and maybe a private fenced-in yard. The bathroom is going in right here. Dogs have been eating poop. There's our tool tent, Don's Paradise campsite. And quickly I'll show you some of the excavation. This will be well worth the wait. And if I don't get you sick on the walk, I'm trying to keep it steady. Here's our first large tiny home on a trailer base. The burnout trailer there, I picked up for a few $100s in a nearby town. Just got this road put in yesterday. Much needed. So this is going to be an island for picnicking, surrounded by a giant deep lake filled with trout. Isn't that hard to believe? And that'll be like that in just a week. And then we're going to have a wetland go under the road here and out into the campground by Don's tiny house. There's our fleet. Friends of the Oppenheimer Ranch Project. 300 an hour for all 3 guys working. So this is the beginning of the water system, and I'll come down. What you're looking at is actually groundwater that just filled up. So we're going to stay right at this level, and we're going to be pumping water in from the river into our water system. We're going to make it look natural, plant native species here, and I'm working on a plan with the conservation district to implement that and maybe get some funding to bring in thousands of native trees like native plum, Manchurian apricot, Nanking cherry, and other edible native plants that would be very appropriate to restore the riparian buffer here. What I have going for me is that this Blanco River is one of the only rivers in the United States that was completely restored by the federal government. Because 90% of this water is diverted out into the deserts of Arizona and New Mexico. So what we have is a 1/10 scale of the original river that they had to restore, because after they took the water, it destroyed the biome. Now the biome's back, and we're going to try to help restore the riparian buffer and the native species by bringing them all in here into the campground. Guys, I hope you got something out of the video. There's a lot to do. Time's wasted. Join us this summer. Make a reservation at the campsite. Learn how to grow food. Learn about biodynamic farming. Enjoy yourself. It's beautiful. Help us tear this trailer apart. That'd be fun. Be safe, everyone.